Hey, what's up guys? There's a lot of buzz surrounding Realme 5 series and now there is Geekbench listing available for Realme 5. So in this video I'm going to tell you about the Realme 5 as well as few of the leaks regarding Realme 5 Pro. So stay with me till the end of this video and without further ado, let's get started. According to the listing, the model number RMX1911 shows the handset will be powered by a chipset codenamed Trinket, which has previously been used for Snapdragon 665. The listing also shows 4GB of RAM and Android 9 Pie operating system. The Realme RMX1911 handset has managed to score 1525 points in the single core test and 5498 in the multi-core test. And about its launch date, the Realme 5 series launch in China is slated for tomorrow and it will be unveiled in India on August 20th. The Geekbench listing doesn't reveal other details of Realme 5 such as display size, resolution, battery capacity, etc. So based on previous reports, these are some of the things which you could get in the Realme 5. The Realme 5 is said to come with an HD Plus display which will be IPS LCD. The quad camera setup is rumored to include a 16 megapixel primary camera, an ultra wide angle camera, a 4cm macro lens and a depth sensor. The teaser video released earlier by Realme confirms that the phone will have a glossy back panel with a rear fingerprint sensor. And when it comes to pricing, the Realme 5 will be priced at around Rs 8999. In comparison, the Realme 5 Pro is expected to be more powerful smartphone and will succeed the Realme 3 Pro under Rs 15,000. So let's get on with the leaks of Realme 5 Pro. Starting with the design, it's expected to be made of polycarbonate and has quad rear camera setup, and on the front there is AMOLED display with water drop notch housing front facing camera, and also there is in-display fingerprint sensor. Coming to processor, Sudhanshu Ambore has spilled the beans on Realme 5 Pro specifications including the chipset and camera. He posted on Twitter that the handset will rock the Qualcomm's Snapdragon 712 SoC compared to its predecessor Realme 3 Pro's Snapdragon 710 SoC. In addition to this, the Realme 5 Pro's quad camera setup at the back is tipped to feature a 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 primary sensor. The Flipkart page suggests that the Realme 5 Pro's secondary sensor will be equipped with an ultra-wide angle that carries a 119-degree field of view, a tertiary sensor with a super micro lens supporting a focal length of 4cm, and a fourth sensor with a portrait lens. In addition, the device will run Android 9 Pie with Color OS 6 on top. And as far as battery size is concerned, it will be above 4000 mAh and will come with VOOC charging 3.0 and USB Type-C. So this is it guys, hope you liked the video, and if you did then like and subscribe. See you next time, peace out.